What are we going to do, Callum?
Make a snowman.
We're going to build a snowman. Big, giant one. So this is the lazy river. What?
From this one.
Spatula. Away. Are you gonna go swimming? I got you. Go on. Swim. 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 How are you? Whoa! You got some water in your. Hi.
Hi.
Have a nice time. So there's an area that's just dedicated to little kids. That's where we're going to go to next. Go then. Let's go. What is it? No, you leave that, that's not yours. So we're going to go on the rapids now. There's this down here. It's going to be cold. As you can see, there's ice outside. It's going to be freezing. This first bit's nice and warm. But you just know the rest of it's going to be awful. Oh, that's cold.
Oh, it's refreshing.
Refreshing? Oh. Nice and relaxing. Oh, it is so cold. It is freezing. It's nice. Just dip your head under. Yeah, hold on. Just give the lens a quick whoop, whoop. Right, let's go. First little speed bit. Oh, this is the first time I've been down here with any snow on it. I mean, it's normally cold this time of year, but this is something else.
Get the icicle tree.
Okay, I'll get the icicle tree. Look at that! Look at that tree! That's insane! Uh-oh, here we go. Oh! You've got to take this a bit wide, otherwise you'll get stuck on the corner. Oh, definitely a lot warmer than the tropical cyclone. Now there are two other slides here. Actually there's three other slides. I won't be doing them today, I don't think. Callum likes to come on them with us. So yeah, you can always take your kids, sit them on your knee, and go down with them, which he seems to enjoy. So you've got your indoor Starbucks as well. And yeah, this is just basically around the back of the main pool area, which also takes you, it's like a complete loop, takes you back round to the kiddie area. So we're near the end of the third day now. And we've just been for a late evening swim. I'm not sure how much of me you can see right now, probably not a lot. Yeah, you stay on the side of the road, mate. And yeah, we've just been to the supermarket, got ourselves a pizza for the evening. The supermarket is as you would expect. It sells everything that you'll need while you're here. It's slightly more pricey than what you'd expect. Well, I don't know, slightly more pricey than... We're not quite there yet, nearly though. It's a bit more expensive than your average supermarket, but it's going to be because they've got you trapped here. But it's not extortionate, not at all. They could be a lot higher prices, but they're not, which is good. So yeah, just got ourselves a little pizza. Going to yeah, probably put the kids to bed, watch a bit of telly, curl up on the sofa. Yes, baby.
Is that where we is?
No, not quite. Nearly there. So yeah, as this place gets dark, all the lights and that come on again, and it just makes it even more magical. And now the wind's just picked up, so it's starting to blow all the snow off the trees and onto your head, which is nice when it's this cold. It's supposed to be getting down to about -10 tonight, so yeah, it's going to be really cold tonight. But to be fair, the heating's not, you know, it's not roasting hot in there. Yeah?
I hear sound.
It's the birds you can hear. Can you hear them?
Maybe up the trees.
Maybe they're in the trees.
Maybe
Yes. So yeah, the apartments are you know, they're warmish. They get up to about 22 degrees, and yeah, the apartments, they're fairly warm. There is a slight sort of chill to them because they are just like lodges, so they're going to have the odd draft. But yeah, if you do whack the heating up, it'll only go up to about 22. It won't go any higher than that. It will say that it'd be higher, but it won't actually reach that temperature. So yeah, we're going to call it for day 3. It's been an eventful day. We've built snowmen, been swimming, been to the supermarket, went to the pancake house earlier. That is brilliant. If you love anything pancakey, omelette-y, you have to go there, because they do everything on a pancake or an omelette. Anything you can imagine, they'll put it on it, and they are brilliant. So yeah, that's it for day 3, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Maybe.
Say bye, Callum.
Bye.